Hello all, welcome to the lecture number 2. Today we are going to study some examples on wave equation. So first example, if del 2y by del t square is equal to c square del 2y by del x square, represent the vibration of a string of length L fixed at both ends, find the solution with boundary condition. First boundary condition is y of 0t is equal to 0 and y of lt is equal to 0. Means these two boundary condition are at end because it start from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to L. Third boundary condition is at initially at time t is equal to 0 del y by del t value is 0 and initially at t is equal to 0 y value become k into Lx minus x square. So what we are doing here, we are considering direct solution. In previous problem we have find out how we are getting this solution, but here we are considering this solution and after that we find out corresponding constants. So for wave equation, solution is y of x is equal to c1 into cos mx plus c2 into sin mx, c3 cos cmt plus c4 sin cmt. Or you can write instead of m, you can write any constant, it may be p, q, any constant you can write. Now first condition is given. First condition is given as y of 0t is equal to 0. What is the meaning of this condition? At x is equal to 0, y value is equal to 0. So put this in equation number 1. This is equation number, I am denoting it at 8 by 2. This is 1. Okay, so put in equation number 2, we get 2, equation number 2 become y is equal to 0 equal to c1 into cos of mx, x is equal to 0. So cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. So next bracket remain as it is, c3 cos of cmt plus c4 sin of cmt. So this bracket cannot be 0. If it is 0, then complete term becomes 0 and solution becomes 0. Therefore only value of c1 can be 0. So c1 is equal to 0 we obtained. So again that equation number 2 become y of x is equal to c1 into c1 value is 0, so remaining is c2 into sin of mx multiplied by c3 cos of cmt plus c4 sin of cmt. Okay, now again one more condition is there, y of lt is equal to 0. If y of lt is equal to 0, then we know that y at x is equal to L. Meaning of this condition is at x is equal to L, y become 0. So substitute this value in equation number 3. So equation 3 become y is equal to 0, put here, is equal to c2 multiplied by at x is equal to L means sin ml multiplied by c3 cos cmt plus c4 sin cmt. Now again c2 cannot be 0 because if c2 is equal to 0, c1 also 0, c2 also 0, so whole term becomes 0, 0 into this term becomes 0. So again solution does not get satisfied. So c2 cannot be 0 here. Then this bracket cannot be 0, so remaining term is only sin of ml is equal to 0. And in previous lecture I told you 0 can be written as sin of n pi. So ml, cancel out sign from both sides, ml is equal to n pi. So what is the value of m? M is equal to n pi by L. So substituting this value in equation number 3. So equation number 3 become y of xt, it is equal to c2 is not equal to 0, so c2 remain as it is, sin of m is n pi x by L multiplied by c3 cos of cn pi t divided by L plus c4 sin of, we are substituting this value of m to each and for each and every term, it is n pi c t divided by L. So this is the y of xt after substituting value of m. Next we have again two more conditions, so we are using that condition. So before that we find out its derivative. So what we will do, we differentiate this with respect to with respect to t, because we want del y by del t. So differentiate this y of xt. So c2 with respect to t we are going to differentiate. So c2 sin n pi x by l remain constant. Derivative of cos is minus sin multiplied by this constant, plus c4 into sin derivative is cos multiplied by this constant. So we get here del y by del t is equal to c2 into sin n pi x by l minus of cn pi by l into c3 sin of n pi ct n pi ct divided by L plus C4 into n pi C by L into cos of n pi Ct upon L. Now del y by del t is equal to 0 at t is equal to 0. Again, what is the meaning of this condition? At t is equal to 0, value of del y by del t is equal to 0. So use this condition here. Del y by del t is equal to 0. So this is, we are denoting this equation by 4. This is 4 and this one is 5. Okay, so del y by del t at t is equal to 0 is 0. So this is 0. C2 sin of n pi x by L remain as it is. Put value of t here, minus of c n pi divided by L multiplied by C3. Sin 0 is 0 and cos 0 is C4 multiplied by n pi C by L multiplied by cos 0 is 1. So this is 0, first term is 0. So we obtained C2 multiplied by C4 multiplied by sin of n pi x by L multiplied by n pi C by L. So we obtained this and we denote it by n pi C by L. So 0 is equal to C2 into C4 into sin n pi x by L into n pi C by L. Now see, sin of n pi x by L cannot be 0, because if this will be 0 then complete solution becomes 0. Same for C2 cannot be 0, because if it becomes 0 again whole solution becomes 0. This is a constant, so it does not have any problem. Next is C4. So C4, only C4 value becomes 0 here. If C4 is equal to 0, then complete solution will not be 0. So substituting this C4 value in equation number 4, 4 become y of xt. It is equal to C2 multiplied by sin of n pi x by L multiplied by C3 cos of n pi ct by L. So C4 value becomes 0. This is equation number 6. And again one more condition is remaining. So before that we write it properly. C2 into C3 we denote it by another constant, let it be Bn sin of, or we can keep it as it is, C2 into C3 multiplied by sin of n pi x by L multiplied by cos of n pi ct by L, and this is y of xt. Now use another condition, which is last condition, y of x0, it is equal to k times lx minus x square. Now here what is the meaning of this? At t is equal to 0, y value is equal to k times lx minus x square. So substituting this value here, at t is equal to 0 in this equation 6, y become k times lx minus x square is equal to C2 multiplied by C3 sin of n pi x by L remain as it is, sin of n pi x by L as it is, and cos of n pi. So t is equal to 0, so cos 0 is 1. So remaining is only this term. Now we know that this sin of n pi x by L is not 0, C3 cannot be 0 and C2 cannot be 0. So what we want? We want value of this constant now. If we get value of constant, our solution become equation number 6 by substituting C2 and C3. So this is k times lx minus x square multiplied by C2 into C3 can be denoted by another constant Bn multiplied by sin of n pi x by L. Why I am denoting here Bn? Because on right hand side we have sine function is remaining. If only sine function is remaining, Bn can be obtained by using Fourier sine series. What is Fourier sine series? It is 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x multiplied by sine of n pi x by L, sine of n pi x by L into dx, because range of x is from 0 to L, f of x into sine of n pi x by L, and that f of x is our left hand side, so it is also given to us, which is 2 by L integration 0 to L f of x is k times Lx minus x square multiplied by sine of n pi x by L multiplied by dx. So this is the value of Bn. Now value of Bn means only we have written in integration form. To simplify it further, we get Bn value, and after finding that Bn value, substitute here in equation number 6 to get the final answer. Here you can write Bn is equal to C2 multiplied by C3. So here to find out Bn, we use integration by part rule. So it is equal to 2k by L outside. Integration by part rule, this is first function u and this is another function v. So we use generalized rule here. First function, that is Lx minus x square as it is, into integration of sine is minus cos of n pi x by L divided by n pi by L. Minus, second term is minus derivative of first term, derivative of Lx is L and derivative of x square is 2x, multiplied by integration of same bracket, it is minus of cos integration is sine n pi x by L divided by n square pi square by L square, and next is plus a derivative of L minus 2x is, derivative of L is 0 and minus 2x is minus 2. Integration of minus sign is minus of plus of cos of n pi x by L divided by n cube pi cube divided by L cube. So this is the value for over the range 0 to L. So simplify it further, it is equal to 2k by L, substituting upper limit as well as lower limit instead of solving. So if we put here upper limit, L into L become L square minus L square. So first term become 0. Second term is minus L minus 2L become minus L. Minus L with this minus it become plus. With minus again it become minus. Then sine of plus minus L, so minus of L into L square. If we solve denominator, it is L square divided by n square pi square into a sine of n pi x by L. So it is sine of n pi L by L get cancelled. Minus plus, I am substituting only upper limit first, minus 2 times cos of 2 into L cube divided by n cube pi cube multiplied by cos of n pi L by L is cos of n pi. Cos n pi. This is upper limit minus lower limit if we put 0. So L multiplied by 0 is 0, 0. So whole term becomes 0. Then L minus 2 into 0. So it is L, but sine 0 is 0. Next term is minus 2. Cos 0 is 1. So it is minus of first term is 0. Second term is also 0. And third term is minus 2 multiplied by L cube divided by n cube pi cube. So this is the lower limit. Now Bn can be written as Bn is equal to 2k by L in bracket sine of n pi value is 0. Remember, sine of n pi is equal to 0 and cos of n pi is equal to minus 1 to the power n, which we have already studied. So substitute here value, it is minus of 2 L cube divided by n cube pi cube multiplied by minus 1 to the power n, minus with this minus it is plus 2 L cube divided by n cube pi cube. 2 L cube divided by n cube pi cube. So this is equal to 2k by L. What is the common term? 2L cube divided by n cube pi cube. 1 minus minus 1 to the power n. Now if this is Bn, if n is odd. If n is odd means if it is 1, 3, 5 and so on. So 1 minus 1 become 0. If n is odd, then minus of minus become plus. So for n is odd, this is 2. If n is even, that is 2, 4, 6 and so on. So minus 1 to the power even power is always 1. So 1 minus 1 become 0. So Bn value we obtained for n is odd, it is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 into 2, it is 8k L square divided by n cube pi cube. 8k L square, 1 L will get cancelled with this, 8k L square n cube pi cube, and if n is even, then Bn value become 0. So putting this Bn value in equation number in solution, that is y of xt is equal to, for number of values we can write summation start from n is equal to 1 to infinity. We know that in series, Fourier series, summation start from n is equal to 1 to infinity Bn into sine of n pi x by L. Bn into sine of n pi x by L. So substituting this value, we get multiplied by cos of n pi ct by L. Here we have multiplied by cos of n pi ct by L. Now substituting value for of Bn, it is equal to summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. Bn value is 8L square k divided by n cube pi cube multiplied by sine of n pi x by L multiplied by cos of n pi ct by L. And this value we obtained, this solution is obtained if n is odd. So this is the solution for the given wave equation. Thank you.